So hey guys, Pranjal here and welcome to Lottiefiles 101 by your brandmate. In previous videos, we had conversations regarding how you can easily create Lottiefiles using Figma or After Effects, and we also had a short tutorial on how to publish Lottiefile in WordPress websites using Elementor. But in this video, we'll be very specific to Framer, like the entire workflow that you'll have to consider to publish your Lottiefile in your Framer website. It is easier than it sounds. It's just a basic two-step process, and the step one is downloading the Lottiefile from your Lottiefile dashboard if you haven't done it already. Let's log into our Lottiefile dashboard and select the animation that we want to publish and download either the JSON file or .lottie file. So feel free to use the file that you feel is more optimized in your specific animation, and you can compare it via the file size. Once you have downloaded the file, log in into your Framer dashboard and quickly create a page or open up the page that you want to publish your Lottiefile into. Once you have done that, search for Lottiefile in the left sidebar. You will see there are two options for Lottifiles. The first one is simple Lottie and the second one is .lottie. So basically, based on the option, quickly select it and drag it on into the page builder. Once you have done that, in the right sidebar, you will see there's a specific division of settings named as Lottiefiles, and here you can select your file either via the URL or the file that you have just downloaded. I'll suggest use the file in the production environment. Again, here we come with a few settings and you are free to tinker the settings as per your requirements. Here you have capability to change the animation speed if you want to play it in reverse or forward. So you have all of these options available with your Framer and Lottiefile integration. So let us know what did you created with your Lottifiles, and we are looking forward to have more such videos with you guys. If you need any of such services, we are your brand mate. Bye.